Guys, welcome back to Elle's Corner. I have a friend with me. We're gonna be talking about, what are we talking about today?
Why I struggled in high school.
Why he struggles in high school. I don't have a tripod, and I'm at his house, and his house sucks. So,
Thank you.
look here. So, let's get into the video. Woo!
Fast.
Okay. Okay, so why do you struggle with high school, Nehemiah?
I'm really inconsistent.
Inconsistent?
It's the same fucking
No,
thing.
it's not.
Yes,
You
it
can't
is.
be cursing on my channel.
I'm sorry.
Family-friendly content.
Not with me. Yeah, inconsistent. Y'all understand what I'm talking about. It's just I don't like doing anything.
So, it's not even that he's inconsistent, it's that he's lazy.
That too. Big facts. I'm not gonna lie.
And then all he does is work because he's a good old black man trying to make it in the corporate world
Yeah.
on $1
Yeah.
and 50 cents because he's a broke man.
So are you. You applied at the same place. Okay. Don't do that.
Okay. Oh, this hurts. Okay, your turn. Don't block the camera.
No.
Okay, yeah, see, we're both in here now. It works better this way. See, because you're on this side. Okay, I struggle with school because I have ADHD, like really bad ADHD, and I'm stupid, so I refuse to take my medicine. And I'm taking this new stuff. It is called Calm and Support stuff, and it's like herbal. And it's by Brandless, but it's like brand new. It's brand new. I'm gonna have to flip this. But yeah. Well, yeah, I have really bad ADHD and I procrastinate and I'm lazy and I don't have motivation to do things that I know. You know how like you know that if you do those things there's gonna be a good outcome, but you just don't like have it in you to actually do it. You know? Like that's don't you be falling asleep?
I'm not falling asleep.
You look like you're falling asleep.
That's the way I blink. What?
No, that's not how normal people blink. You literally was sitting there.
I'm not normal.
He said.
You see how she is, bro? It's so just always want to give people some goddamn. I mean, some. You know what? Forget it. Forget it.
Oh yeah, guys.
Oh my god. That's a no for me. Ma'am, please.
This is why I don't do good in school, because I can't think straight. But anyway, I was having a thought. Right here. This is Nehemiah's Instagram. Go. Do that.
Please.
This?
Help me out. Help me out.
Wait, I'm here.
Huh?
I'm still
Nah,
here.
forget that. Help me on Instagram. I need some followers. Thank you.
And do jigaboo memes.
Don't do that. don't do that one. Please don't do that one. I mean, unless you're into memes and shit, you know.
Don't be cursing on my YouTube channel.
I said stuff, woman.
No, you didn't.
I know what it did.
No. Okay, and then my Instagram. I don't know. I think I'm gonna put it here. Go follow.
Yeah, you're really jittery. You are extremely jittery.
That's just how I am. You're like the calm version of me. You really are.
I wouldn't say calm. I'd say nonchalant.
Anyway, tell us your day-to-day struggle with school. You know, like we know like why you struggle, but like how did that come about?
I mean,
how does that affect you in your grades and your success?
Ma'am, it's your turn.
In your success.
I mean, I still get my work done, or it depends if I want to do it or not.
I haven't done ish this week. Like, I ain't do nothing last week.
Bruh,
I ain't do nothing this week. I had 3 projects due today.
My luck is horrible. My luck is so horrible because I had a 4-page paper to do, and I did it, but I only had 3 pages, and in the middle of doing it, but in the middle of doing it, and my whole Chromebook crashed, and I was not. Nah, I was not redoing it.
You're not gonna redo it. You couldn't. It's not saved to your drive.
No.
It didn't say all of
my stuff from like
from
sophomore year gone. It was the same Chromebook and everything.
That's dookie.
Oh God, I cried.
Did she give you a 0 or
huh?
he? Did
yeah, Frommy gave me a 0.
Who gave you a 0?
Frommy.
Shout out to Fromby.
Why am I so close?
I'm trying to get both of us in.
Extend your arm.
It's getting tired.
Oh, God.
But yeah, so, but anyway, there's some other stuff.
That's just it. Also, I like being the class clown. Not as much, because...
So you be doing stuff like, you like them white kids at our school?
No, don't. Don't you ever. Don't you.
If y'all know what I'm talking about, there was a scandal yesterday where these kids were saying some racist stuff about Jewish people and people about mixed people and black people, and it went viral.
They stupid. Oh God.
Stupid. I can't say that. They be drinking some stupid B-word juice. You know what I'm saying?
Just say it.
No, because I don't know how to bleep it out. Stupid bleep juice.
They were underage. They were drinking.
Yeah.
That's all you had to say.
They was drunk.
No.
But I wasn't talking about they're being drunk. I was just saying, like, their mentality. They be drinking some stupid bee juice.
Oh.
You know?
No, they're just...
We weren't talking about them being drunk.
No, they're just retarded. That's what they are.
But anyway, see, like, my thing is, like, I be really excited about stuff. And then once I start doing it, it loses its, like, fun. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'll be doing projects. And I'm like, oh, this is going to be really fun. And then suddenly, like, a few days, like, I'm on a kick for it for, like, a week, and then like I just stopped doing it. So like when school starts, it's like I'm gonna go in at school and I'm gonna be super successful, and my grades are gonna be really good the whole year.
Wrong.
That doesn't happen.
Wrong.
And I'm like, just do good this week.
Wrong.
Just do good this week.
Wrong.
And it like never happens.
Not I. It's just me. Like, you know, if you do it, do it. If you don't, it is what it is.
I just can't screen. Let's take a thumbnail.
A thumbnail?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. I'm not using that. Cause like, okay, your hand is better than mine, so you can take the thumbnail. Okay, I don't know how to do this. We'll just freeze. Just pause. Oh yeah.
Like I was saying, never, ever do video with her. Never. How do you have so much energy after school? After school.
I don't know.
After school. How? Like, what breed are you to be so...
Unicorn.
Get away from me. Take the phone. No.
Extraterrestrial.
Help me.
Help me. Cause like the walls are caving in.
Help me.
It's a good song. You guys should go. Shawn Mendes. It's a good album.
We good. We are.
You gonna listen to Post Malone?
No. I mean, I do. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with it. But...
My dad doesn't like Post Malone. My dad is trash. Cause my dad likes Young Thug, but doesn't like freaking Post Malone.
Young Thug out of all people?
Yeah. He like that song, that body. You
don't know the
I told him, you another round. Body. He like the song Havana.
Okay, yeah, I know that, but Young Thug,
Because Young Thug, like, he makes a lot of songs like where he can't rap, but like he can actually rap. He can actually, like, he has songs that he like for real raps. But I just don't like him.
But still,
I just
come
don't
on
like
now,
him.
son. Nobody.
I just don't like him.
Come on, Young Thug. And then his ad-libs be doo-doo.
Doodoo.
Nobody want to be listening to that.
Yo.
That's not even his ad-libs.
I don't know what his ad-libs are. I'm just doing ad-libs. What do they be like? Skrrr?
No. He sounds like a dying pigeon.
No.
Like, I swear to God he does. Cut.
No. You gotta do an outro. You gotta do an outro. Okay?
Outro. We out.
No.
Get me away from her. Please. Please get me away from her.
Alright, guys.
Also, like, hit me up on the tube. Diamond King. The K.
You gotta spell it out.
Diamond and the King is with an X. Erase the I and put an X. KXNG. You feel me? I kind of post sometimes. No, but I kind of post. You feel me? So, like.
Feeling me?
Why is she so lame?
Okay. You gotta. Alright. If you like this video, please make sure to share it like gossip at a hair salon. I would really appreciate it, especially if you think other people need to see my beautiful face, because it is beautiful. Go follow me at Mills L. And follow him at
YoungBull._NEK.
Or you can follow.
No, don't follow me on that.
Be singing or whatever it be.
No, don't follow that one. No.
Because he really don't be singing, even though.
I really don't. I just be.
I be like, this is just a third Instagram page for him to bull malarkey on. So.
I could really sing if I wanted to, but.
He can really sing.
All right.
Anyway.
No.
Thanks for coming back to my corner of the world. Peace out.